Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. I have this box right here. This is from 4Official, which is Daisha View's clothing brand. Daisha is Raven Elise's best friend, and I am now an influencer for her brand, so I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. So if you're interested, make sure you keep watching. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below before you leave, and let's go ahead and get into my box. So I got a lot of stuff. First of all, I'm wearing the pieces right now. I know you can't tell, but I got the purple and white side stripe set. It's like the pants and the bodysuit. I will insert a picture here so you can see. I just took some bomb pictures today in this outfit, you guys. So yeah, this is my first outfit that I wanted to show you. But then I ordered some other stuff that I'm gonna unbox for you today. And everything comes nice and wrapped in plastic, individually wrapped, so that's cool. I actually got the pants, pink pants, the side stripe pants. I wanted to get the bodysuit, but my size was sold out, y'all, so I just got the pants because the pants are super comfortable, and these pants are really long. Like, if you're tall, this will not be an issue for you. They're so long and they're stretchy. I got a size medium, and you can kind of see the 4 tag on the inside. Love these pants. I don't even know how I'm gonna style these. I made this shag to go with my purple outfit. I feel like I need to make a shag to go with the pink one too. It's just cute. It's just cute. What else did I get? I got the organic tee. Look at this. Oh my God. This t-shirt is so cute. I got in a size large because that's all that was left. But wait a minute, this looks actually perfect. This looks like my size. Hold on, I thought it was gonna be too big. No, this is perfect. Oh my God, the color is so cute. I'm ready. She's ready. Ready. Okay, so I got the organic tee, and then I got the organic sweatsuit. Y'all. Oh my God. Not Devin peeking trying to see what his gonna look like. Devin is peeking at me from behind the camera because I heard that he got one of these too. Wow. Oh my God, it's so cute. I got a size medium. That is so cute. Ooh, and then it has the 4 in the neck. Look at that. Official. And it's soft. Oh my God, the inside is so soft. What? Wow. And then you have the little kangaroo pocket right here. Kangaroo pouch. Put your phone right there. So I got the hoodie, and I also got the sweatpants to match. This is actually the last thing that I got. But look at this. So cute. Wow. And it has a little drawstring so you can snatch your waist. They go all the way down, and then you got a little scrunch going on here at the leg. And then it says organic right here. And pockets. We have pockets. Y'all know how like clothes always have pockets that are either not real pockets or they just aren't deep enough for you to put anything in there. Like, I can put my whole hand in the pocket, so I appreciate that. So I just got done unboxing all of my 4Official stuff. I filmed it for you guys so that you can actually see them, and I'm gonna be taking pictures and everything, so you'll see everything soon. But y'all, this is so cute. This stuff is super cute. I plan on taking pictures with everything because I want you guys to see how cute this stuff is. I actually have a discount code for you guys, so make sure you head over to their website. I'll have their website across the screen and in the description box. but my code is KNicole, so if you use that at checkout, you will get 20% off your purchase, and the stuff is already a good price. I will have her Instagram and everything in the description box as well, so that you can follow her. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here really quick and let you guys know that I got some new pieces, and I'm so excited because I feel like I don't have any clothes right now that really fit me, so I wanted to get some new stuff. Make sure you check in the description box. I'm gonna link her Instagram and my Instagram, because by the time you see this, I will have all of my pictures up. I will have all of them up already. Her pieces are quality, like they're really good quality, and they're affordable. So I would jump on it if I were you, okay? Let me know in the comments down below if you decide to get anything. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video.